I worked for many years as a research scientist in the biomedical device industry. But then it was in 2001 that I came across this concept of koshas. Now, koshas, it's a Sanskrit term which means sheets or layers. It means that we are not just the body, we are composed of 5 layers: the body, the breath, the mind, the intellect, and the spirit or the bliss sheets. So this concept intrigued me to no end, and I had to find out more about it. So that led me to Ayurveda, and that actually propelled me and motivated me to get a PhD. And the PhD was in psychology, completely different from what I was used to, and it was focused on health studies. So throughout this time, though, I had also been working in the community as a volunteer at homeless shelters and places where there were underserved women. I saw all these people with chronic diseases, and stress was the major cause of it. Doctors knew it, they didn't know what to do about it. And also when I did my PhD, it was very, very clear. Chronic diseases had as their underlying cause stress. But I also learned that there is possibility of stress management at all levels: the body, mind, breath, intellect, all these places where we can interject and help the body balance itself. That's where the holistic perspective comes in. I had an earnest intention to give back. What I had learned, what I had experienced, I wanted to give back to the community. But going solo, it would be hard to go to partner organizations and say, hey, I have this to offer. And I thought starting an organization, starting a nonprofit would be the best way to communicate to these partner organizations what we have to offer. And secondly, I knew even then there were many like-minded people who could be funneling their talents through this process, through this organization. And the name Akhila came about. And Akhila in Sanskrit, which is an ancient Indian language, it means complete or whole. So whole health means holistic health, and that's our tagline. I mean, I can only think about the multifaceted way now, especially with the holistic health view. So I feel my heart is full. I feel fulfilled. My mind is active. My intellect is active. All this gives me a purpose and meaning, and I'm hoping that's how others feel as well. I mean, I don't know. We have to be the change that we want to see in the world, they say. So I think one step at a time, one woman at a time, one organization at a time, I think I'm optimistic.